Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another Diwali special recipe. We'll be seeing another recipe from the Konkani cuisine, Tiksani Ronti or spicy tukdi. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, salt as per taste, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri dry red chili powder, 1/4 to half teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of white sesame seeds, and finally 1 to 2 teaspoon of homemade ghee. Firstly, begin by taking a mixing bowl and into that add the maida or all-purpose flour, salt, Kashmiri dry red chili powder, asafoetida powder, jeera or cumin seed, and finally white sesame seed. Mix all the dry ingredients well and now set this aside. Next, take a tempering pan and into that add 1 to 2 teaspoons of homemade ghee and allow the ghee to melt completely in low to medium flame. Add the ghee when it is smoking hot into the mixing bowl and mix it well along with the rest of the ingredients. The reason why we are adding the hot ghee while preparing the dough is it makes the tukdi or ronti nice and crispy. You can also add coconut oil or sunflower oil instead of this. Once all the ingredients are ready, into this add water little by little and prepare a tight dough. Please note, while preparing the dough, make sure not to add too much water and make it soft and soggy, as it might get difficult later while rolling the tukdi dough thin. Once your dough is prepared, cover this and allow this to rest for another 20 to 30 minutes before further use. Knead the dough well once again and next take small portions of the prepared dough and prepare medium-sized balls out of it. Now press this flat and dust both the sides with maida or all-purpose flour thoroughly. Now spread this as thin as possible with the help of a rolling pin and make sure not to dust too much of maida or all-purpose flour while doing this, as it tends to settle down in the bottom of the kadai while deep frying. Once you have spread this nice and thin, make sure it is of the thickness as shown in the video. Next, take a knife or a cutter and cut this crisscross. Once you have cut the tukdi dough, immediately shift this into a plate or paper so that it's easier for you to shift it into the kadai while deep frying. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and once the kadai is hot enough, into that add oil enough for deep frying. Here I have used sunflower oil. You can even use coconut oil or any other oil of your choice. Once your oil is hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and into this shift the diamond cuts. Now deep fry this in low to medium flame and keep stirring this occasionally while deep frying so that it's uniformly cooked. Once your diamond cuts or tukdi turns nice and crisp, immediately shift it into a plate with tissue paper or paper towel topped on it so that it can absorb any excess oil if there is any. Deep fry the rest of the ronti also in the similar way, and now your delicious ronti or tukdi is ready. At this stage, if you are tasting, it can be little soft and not so crunchy. Allow this to cool down completely in room temperature and it will turn nice and crisp. Now your delicious Tiksani Ronti is ready. You can have this immediately or you can even store this in an airtight container. It has an amazing shelf life of 2 to 3 weeks. So do try this recipe during this Diwali and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.